I'll be on some other shit. It's kinda bittersweet that I fell in love with it. I always thought that if I always cared about how I dress, that folks would think I'm arrogant and chicks would lose interest. But as it turns out, people start to notice you more. You turn heads when you step foot in them sneaker stores. Like, where you get them, can I get them? What's the biggest size left? And chicks that never would have seen you.
What's up, everybody? It's Big Roth TV, and I'm back with another sneaker unboxing video. Alright, now it's gonna be 2 for 2 the last few days. This one actually is from Adidas, but I'm so used. This is only, you know, the third. I did have those Pumas come to this house, but this is the third box that I've ordered, you know, since I've been back in the States, and no branding except on the tape on the front. I'm not going to show you that because my address is on there, but no branding on the shipping box. I like this. I like that they're doing this, because then people who might be going past my house won't just see the branded box and want to rob me. So that's nice. Let's go ahead and get into this, man. Let me bring this chair over, because this is a giant box. Giggity. We're gonna open that up from right here. Goodness gracious, Adidas. All that, and the box on the inside is this big. That giant box. Alright, so boom. What do you have here? This is a Yeezy box. Yeezy, was it QNTM? Yeezy QNTM, made by Adidas. And okay, what happened is my buddy JT, he hits me up. I've completely lost track of sneaker releases. I don't know when anything's coming out anymore. I thought that when I came back to America that I would be going crazy and like, oh man, I'm gonna get all kinds of shoes and I can go to the store and get them, and it'll be easier to track it online because I'll be up at the actual time in the morning that they release and not in the afternoon. I thought things would be different, but I've completely lost track. So my buddy JT hits me up and he asks me if I'm going for these. Initially I say no, right? But then I put my name in the raffle for these, and I put in for the unicorn size, my true size 13 and a half. Not thinking I'd actually get them, because for one, it's a Yeezy, and two, nobody ever actually has the unicorn size. Next thing you know, I get a notification that says I won. So these are the Yeezy QNTM. I'm not even going to try with that colorway. It's Ofani or something. I don't know. But I won these off of the Confirmed app, and I won them in the unicorn size. How about that? Direct from Adidas, I won these in the unicorn size of 13 and a half. How does that even happen? That doesn't even, never had. It was meant to be. It was meant to be. If I can get my unicorn size in this shoe, it was meant for me to have them. So let's go ahead and get into these, man. My first time looking at them too. Okay. But of course, you all know how I do it right here on Big Roth TV. Ooh, not bad. Not bad. Left shoe first, baby. Ooh. Not bad at all. Now, these are those Yeezy QNTMs. Got some boost there. The Yeezy basketball shoe, okay? Got your boost on the bottom there. That is some some suede on the toe box. These to me look like an upper version of, like a mid-top version of these. To me, it looks like they did these in a mid-top version of the 700s. That's what it looks like to me. It looks like with that toe box area that these are just a basketball shoe version, high top version of the 700s. And the 700s are actually my favorite Yeezy model. I love the 700s. They're super comfortable. And I have 350s. You know what I mean? I had the, what was it, the 500s. I didn't really like those that much. I got rid of those. But, man, I really love the 700s. I like the 350s as well. So if these are anything like these as far as comfort, these are going to be a win. Alright, so you look around, that is some really good, that's some really good suede right there on the toe box. I like that color that goes around. It's kind of a teal that goes through the sides there. I actually just cannot believe that there was a 13 and a half. This is really a 13 and a half. Look. Can you all see that? It really says 13 and a half. This is really a 13 and a half. There's some reflective going around in the back. This seems a little thin. So, I don't know. When I try them on, that don't look like the thickest of material. And these are supposed to be basketball shoes. I don't know if this is the best ankle support. In comparison to the LeBrons yesterday, I don't know if these are the best ankle support, because the LeBron 18s, your ankle is going nowhere on those. But these, I don't know. And the tongue, what, 2 days in a row. Right, let me get the paper out of here. Boom. All right. Nice thick laces. I like that part. I don't know about the hooping aspect in these. I think these are just casual shoes. I couldn't imagine anybody. I don't know. There is a little cushion down there inside the shoe, but up top, man, it feels like you just put a little thin ankle brace around. It's like a low top shoe. The support is down here. The support is right here. You could probably see that on the camera where the padding is here. But then it looks like, okay, let's throw the material for our ankle brace up top, because this ain't very thick. I'm trying it on. I'm going to see what I think. Maybe I'm going to change my mind on that, but I don't know. Black going around there. I like the creamish kind of bottom. Reminds me of the all white 350s. Where are those at? Right there. This reminds me of that. Kind of the same there. Not the pattern or anything, but just how the cream is on there. Get that out of here. But yeah, man, pretty much the basics. Regular Yeezy. To me, it looks like a regular Yeezy going around. Almost like the 380 on the side here. How the Yeezy 380 is. But then it has a touch of that 700 right there in the toe box, which is cool by me. The patterns on the bottom looks like it's gonna have good traction. The way that it feels looks like it would actually have good traction if you were to take these to the court and hoop in them. Looks like the traction would be good. Adidas logo on the bottom there. Very nice. Very nice. You got your boost, of course. Can't forget that boost. I do like that there's no Yeezy branding anywhere on the shoe except on the insole here. Oh, like if you all can see, let me try to unlace that a little bit more. On the insole there, there's just an Adidas and Yeezy logo there on the inside. There it is. That's about the only place you can actually see that this is a Yeezy. So, you know what we gotta do now? We gotta take these boys on feet. Alright, so here we are on feet with the Yeezy QNTM. Alright. Not bad. Not bad at all. I will say comfort level, amazing. 1000% comfort. It is exactly what I said. It is these on feet. They feel like a high top version of this shoe. And this is one of my most favorite, most comfortable shoes as far as Yeezys or anything. I love this shoe. I love the black one as well. These feel like that. These Yeezy QNTMs feel like 700s. And the fact that I have my actual size, a 13.5, makes them feel even better. Like the fit is perfect. My big toe is right here. There's no room. I couldn't get a 13. That'd be too small. All my other toes are right there. 13.5, perfect. The width, perfect. I tightened them up a little bit. Everything fits. It fits perfect. I have no room. I can't do this and my foot slides. It's just the right size. I really got lucky as far as getting my actual size. I feel like a 14 would be a little too big. So, man, I'm not mad at it. The one thing I wasn't sure about, and excuse my ashy ankles, is I wasn't so sure about the ankle support. The tongue sits a little low, so the tongue, I'm not the biggest fan of that. It's not that thick, but it's not uncomfortable either. The ankle support is not really that bad. There is a place on the side here that you can add the laces to, which you could probably tighten up. I didn't do it, but you can add your laces all the way up here on the side and tighten them up, and that will probably give you a little bit more ankle support. So I was wrong on that, but it did feel flimsy picking it straight up out the box. But man, on feet, these are great. These are great, man. Definitely go true to size. That's the first time I feel like I've said that in any shoe video, is go true to size. Because I've never been able to actually go true to size. But, man, these are comfortable. Give you some of that coming at ya. Coming at ya. Yes, sir. Of course, with that boost. Comfort all day. I don't know if I want to be, cutting, jumping, doing anything in that. That felt good, just, a little jump, I don't know if I want to be running and cutting, trying to cut to the goal. Let me go to the goal. I don't know. I feel like these are more for casual wear. I don't know if I'd be hooping on them. The traction, even though I'm on carpet, feels like it's okay. The court would probably have to be super clean, but I don't know. These still feel more casual to me than an actual hooping shoe. I'm more likely to take a pair of LeBrons to the court instead of these. Now let's go ahead and get a little bit of that booty view. Let's go ahead and get a little bit of that booty view for you all. Yes, sir. But anyway, that's gonna do it for these. Yo, I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad at it. Definitely a dope shoe. They are ultimately, in my humble opinion, a high top 700. I'm gonna keep saying that. I've said that a few times in this video. These are a high top 700. And the Yeezy 700 is my favorite Yeezy. So it's a win. I was a little skeptical about the upper here, the part that makes it a high top shoe, yes, you can see that right there. You can lace it all the way up to that point, and it will tighten it up for you, so you will have a little bit more ankle support. There is cushioning on the back around your heels. If you get your true size and you do want to go test them out in the court, hey, do your thing. I kind of feel like these are more casual than performance, but the only way to find out is to actually get them on court. I don't know, the gyms are closed around here, so I can't take it to a court and actually get in there and hoop. And I don't want to take them to a street court around the corner and try to hoop in these outside. But yeah, man, I'd recommend you getting some if you can get them. I think they're very comfortable, especially for casual wear, which most people will get them to wear anyway. So if you're digging these and you can find them, go ahead and pick them up, man. But anyway, that's gonna do it. Thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you have not already. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for subscribing. I truly appreciate it. More content is on the way, and I'll holler at you all in the next video. Peace.